Everyone, I'm Ginny, and I am a PhD candidate in the Social and Affective Neuroscience Lab at Temple. And I'm so excited to be leading this dyadic data analysis and visualization workshop for you all for the COG workshop series for 2023. So let's get into it. So first up, I'll go over an overview of sort of the things that the workshop will and won't cover today. We'll next talk about some concepts that are important to dyadic data analysis that will come back up later in the workshop. And lastly, we'll have a brief introduction to the data. So within the R Markdown for this tutorial, we'll also be performing some wrangling with dyadic data, multi-level modeling, and actor-partner interdependence models in 3 different ways, which we'll get into in some more detail later on. So as an overview of the workshop for today, the main goal is to provide a brief introduction to dyadic data analysis and visualization in R. So what it is, some possible applications of it for those who might be interested in using it in their research. So this workshop will mainly follow concepts that are laid out in the textbook called Dyadic Data Analysis by Kenny, Kashi, and Cook from 2006. So if you're interested in more details on the topics within this workshop, I highly recommend that as a resource. So it's also important to note that the workshop will go over kind of a pretty broad breadth of different topics within dyadic data analysis, but will not go that deeply into the statistics underlying them. So if you're interested in learning more about how the models work and the statistics beneath them, I would definitely recommend reading a little bit more from the dyadic data analysis textbook or from other recommended resources that I've included with the workshop. It's also important to note that we won't go over more complex designs, so things like longitudinal modeling or dyadic data analysis with Bayesian methods. Those are also really cool and important methods, but we will not be getting into them today. So if you're interested in those, I've included some additional resources again. And some prerequisites for the workshop. It'd be helpful to have some basic experience with R Studio and with our programming language, in addition to some basic familiarity with some multivariate statistics, since I think the topics like multi-level modeling will make more sense if you have this kind of background, but hopefully it should still be relatively straightforward to follow even without. Also, in general, having an interest in interpersonal processes of some kind, so things like parent-child or parent-teacher relationships, romantic couples, friends, and clinical relationships, and even boss and employee relationships can all be looked at through dyadic analysis.